gorgeous day in Yankeetown. Beautiful boat. Let's go catch some grouper. We had a double hookup. He's got one on. She lost hers, it looks like.
No, I don't think
no,
so.
the lure's thumping. You lost your fish. You lost yours and he hooked up. Nice fish. I need to start bringing my net.
I was gonna grab it and I saw it hooked.
Or just leave that out there.
You know what? I think I do need it turned the other way.
You couldn't figure out how to reel it?
I was struggling, yeah.
Well, he's got to keep her fish on, so that didn't take long. We'll go over that spot a few times.
I don't
There it is.
All right, bring him over.
Nice.
Oh, you have her line.
Oh, I don't have one.
They like his rod. 2 for 2. Another good fish.
A little bit.
Oh, you're getting.
Maybe the bottom.
That's a fish.
Yeah, you know. Oh yeah, she's up top.
Oh, it just broke.
On top of the wall.
Lost my plug.
I just hit my
Look at his skiing across the surface.
Yeah.
Something. It looks like a big mouth. Big mouths are a good sign.
Get those marked right.
I think that is a keeper. Got a good sized mouth on him.
Oh, yeah.
That's a keeper.
That's bigger.
Yep.
That's definitely bigger. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Stay up top so you stay away from the sharp parts.
Yeah.
And support under the belly.
He's got the same face you have.
Ugly. Take my phone, take a picture there.
It fell off.
I told you that side was good luck.
It fell off. Yeah, it did. That's your plug. Dang it. Then it is. Nice fish. You gotta reel towards you. There you go. You really can't reel with the other hand, huh? I need to switch the handle. I forgot. And I need to switch it. Seems like she's got a big snapper, a small grouper. Yeah, nice gag. Try not to reel that. You're gonna rip the end of my pole off.
Try not to do what?
The swivel. You keep reeling it into the pole. That's how my eyes keep getting ripped out of my rods.
Oh.
Don't. Yeah. Don't reel that in. You always want to leave that much space.
Okay.
Flip them in. Don't grab the green line. Always grab the clear line. If you grab the braid, it'll cut your hand. That's a decent sized grouper. Get him out of that rock. Tighten the drag. Keep the rod low to the water. Reel down. There you go. Nice fish. That's almost a keeper.
Another grouper. Well, that sucker hot.
See how fun they are to catch? You'll catch another 30 of them today. But you see what I mean about smaller ones while you're bottom fishing?
Yeah.
You'll catch one of them every drop. Keep that rod low to the water. There you go. You got another grouper? They're fun fish, aren't they? There you go. Oh, big snapper! That's a huge mango. That's what we're here for.
That's a freaking big one.
That looks like a freaking...
we've ever caught.
That looks like a cubera. Look how dark its back is. I've never seen a mangrove that dark. That is a freaking tank. Look at the size of that snapper.
Look at that one, Denise.
Get it off the bottom. Get him out of that rock.
Pull it, Denise. Pull it. Reel it.
Get him out of there. Get him. That's a big fish. That's a keeper. Come on, Denise. Come on, Denise. You got a reel. 23.9. Nice fish, Denise. She was just complaining about not getting bites too. You got one too?
Yeah.
Rod to the water, dude. There you go. A big red grouper. What the heck? Look at that size of that red grouper, and they just closed red grouper season. They just closed these. Isn't that bad luck?
Yep.
That's a nice fish.
Grouper?
Hey, you're quiet over there. You got another grouper? Didn't even tell us?
Yeah, I didn't know.
You're awfully quiet. Didn't even say nothing. That's a good size, fun size right there. He's got a pile of grouper down there. Get him out of that rock. Get him out. That's a good one. Get him out of the rock.
Don't do that, Rick.
Just get him out of that rock.
Cut yourself.
Reel down. There you go. That's a good fish. Alright. Somehow my eye just broke.
Oh, that might be a keeper.
That is a keeper.
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
Yep. That's what happens when you reel swivels into the pole.
Say that again?
That's what happens when the swivel gets reeled into the pole too many times. It breaks it. Get him out of the rock. Good. She's good at cranking him out of the rock. Look at that. That's a nice fish. That's not a keeper. They're all 22 inches. Denise is a grouper catching machine. What?
Look, the thing on.
No, he's got one. Little guy.
The red.
Another red? Yeah, it is another red. Wow. Interesting. Feels like a big snapper. No, it's always a stupid grouper. My first drop with a jig head. You got lucky with that big snapper. Every time you think it's a big snapper, it's always a little gag. They're fun little fish. I saw her getting bites. Reel! You got a reel. There you go. That's a little one. No, he just fell off. Another little gag. That was a tiny one. Isn't it crazy how strong they are? Jeez, that's a good one for this little rod. Definitely another grouper. It's crazy how hard they hit it. It's fun on this little rod. You got one? That's a good one. Non-stop grouper. It's good practice for you though. When you hook a big one, you'll know when it's a big one. You barely hooked. Yeah. It's barely in there. This one's got a head shake. Nice! This is what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
There's some giant snappers for this shallow water. These are snapper you find in 60 foot of water. That's a freaking giant.
I see that.
Size of these snapper I'm catching over here. Holy crap. Look, it's another one. Look at the size of them, they're studs.
Yeah.
That's a fish. See, you have to reposition the rod every time, so that's where it puts you at a disadvantage.
I know, but I don't know how to
You gotta
do
get
it otherwise.
you gotta get in fighting stance before he eats it. When he eats it and then you move the rod over, that's how you lose them.
Because if I don't get it over here, then I feel like I can't reel. You know what I mean?
Because you're right-handed, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's why. You should have the reel on the other side of the pole.
But then I can't reel on this.
You guys are training yourself backwards.
He trained me.
Yeah, that's completely backwards. If you're right-handed, you should have the rod in your right hand where all your strength is. There you go. Alright. Grab the reel if you have to. Get him up. Alright, let off. You're on the rock.
Me?
Yeah, don't put any more pressure on him. No, she let her fish get in the rock again.
Okay, then what?
This is a good one.
You're good now.
What you got?
You're good now because I have shorts on in my jeans.
Another red grouper. Stop reeling the swivel into my pole.
Trying not to, sorry.
Oh, there we go.
You both got one? Nice. See, those little rods are fun. I just hope they're snapper. Put them in a cool. You did it again.
Goddamn right.
No, this is a small.
Jeez. That's more fun than fishing the river. I just want to see something besides baby.
Big one.
That's a big snap. Come on, mango. Gag. Looked like it was thumping. Little guy.
I don't know.
Watch the swivel. Jeez. Little guy. Yep, you got him. Good fish. Nice fish.
It's the back of the reel for me.
Ah, he got in the rock.
You did?
Yep.
Should I let it out a little bit? Maybe it'll...
Did it just fall off?
No, it's on there. Unless it's on the rock. I can't reel that way, I guess.
I got 5 feet back. I felt him come out. You gotta make him mad enough to swim out on his own. He doesn't like the irritation of the... Oh, there he is. Got him out. You want to finish?
Nope, go ahead, because I can't reel it that left-handed way.
It's just a little gag. Oh, that fat little grouper. He's tiny.
Got something right?
No more grouper. Be a big mango. Grouper. Dang things.
Can't complain that we're catching fish though. That in itself.
That one?
Yep, right off the front of the boat.
A trout? That's a little red. There's a baby redfish. Fish. Nice. Yep, that's what we're looking for. That was a redfish we've been after. No, he's little. It is a red though, but that's a good sign. We might find a school of them. Usually there's 100 of them when you find one. Cute little guy. Fish.
Heavy?
Just keep consistent pressure on them. Let's just hope it's a redfish. It looks good size. The handle's backwards on. Oh, you refuse to use that hand completely. Jeez. She doesn't even try. You're better off reeling it in upside down if it makes you feel better.
There you go. It might be a little easier that way. There
That's a big fish.
Just like that.
See where I meant about that shadow line? Oh, it's a keeper red too. Good.
Nice.
I'll do it on my phone.
I ain't taking it out. I ain't gonna do what I did last time.
Snooker.
You want
I
it?
lost it.
What?
I don't think it is
I'm
that big.
not so sure.
Oh,
Not very big.
they're dragging them.
Bent over quite a bit.
It looks like a big fish at first.
I know.
That little guy. That's a tiny redfish. What you got? Putting up a decent fight?
Yeah, it is.
There it is, another redfish. Nice fish. Another nice redfish. Denise has got to catch them all.
Don't jinx me.
There's another nice one.
Just let it sit.
Who's gonna get the next one? Nope, she's got him. Look at Denise. Look at,
Oh, I got one. Oh, do I have one?
you both got one. Yeah, I was videoing. I got it on video. That's funny. 2 redfish at a time.
Come on.
Here's a swimming up current. What's he got?
Mine's not very big.
Little redfish? Little redfish?
Mine's not that big either.
Nice.